Hi guys, it's me again. So I'm sauteing the pork, onion, garlic, put a little bit of soy sauce. Smoky in here. Just saute that until the tomatoes are wilted. So garlic, onion, tomato, pork, soy sauce, and we're gonna saute squash. Yeah, you can buy this from the Asian store. I might not be able to get this because it's a 1-hour drive, so I'm gonna do a quick video for you guys with this one. Pardon me, it's so smoky in here. Alright, so after you saute everything, you put the squash. Mix it. Pardon me, it's a little bit shaky. I'm holding the phone on my other hand. So, there we go. Now, after you saute this and the flavor is already in the squash, you add 1 cup of water. I have to work fast because my... Okay, so you add 1 cup of water. Then put a little hole in there. Like I said, I'm using now the beef powder bouillon. This is chicken. Just put it in there. Let it simmer for a little bit. You can add cilantro leaves here, but not so much. But my 5-year-old doesn't want cilantro, so I'm gonna skip that. So let it boil, cover it, and then that's it. You have a meal. Sauteed squash. There, so I added a little bit of spinach, just, you know, to give it a contrast in color. Sometimes you have to make it look good for the kids to eat. So there we go. Looks pretty. Right, there you go. Super healthy meal.